Hi Boys and Girls Club, this is Miss Amanda here, and today I'm going to do an activity with you guys on chromatography. So I don't know if you guys know what chromatography is, but essentially chromatography or color writing comes from the Greek word chroma, color, which means color, and graph, which means to write. Okay, one way to sort of explain chromatography is I want you to imagine that you're in a forest, and everywhere you look there are trees stretching toward the sky like towers. The twigs crunch under your feet, small animals scurry in the underbrush. Now, as if by magic, a toy box drops down from the air in front of you. In the box there are light toys such as balls, dolls, books, and there are heavy toys, trucks, giant Barbie house, a Lego table, and suddenly a flood sweeps through the forest. But you are okay. You climbed a nearby tree, but the contents of the box are scattered all over the forest floor. Would all of the toys travel the same way? Would it be easy for water to sweep the Lego table through the forest as it is to sweep maybe the beach ball? Probably not. All right, so would scientists be able to make educated guesses about the weight of different toys by examining how far they traveled? Yes, they could. So chromatography is the science that studies the components of a mixture, aka toys in a box, and tries to figure out things about them by studying how far they've traveled. So for this activity, what you're going to need is some markers of a variety of different colors. So I've just got a bunch of different markers here. You're going to need some paper towel. Got some paper towel right here. You're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need some cups or glasses with water. Okay, so I just am using these cups. You can use clear cups if you want to kind of see the travel of the colors a little bit better. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to cut your paper towels into strips about 1 inch wide. It's about that wide. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Just cut my paper towel into strips. They don't have to be perfect either, so don't feel bad if some are a little bit wider than others. It's not a big deal. Got a couple more strips here. And I just used one piece of paper towel and cut it the long way. Okay, so that's about what one should look like. I got about, let's see, that's 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 9 strips there. So that's about how many roughly you should have. You could have a few less or a few more. It doesn't really matter a whole lot. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take one of your markers. Well, again, it's going to be kind of whatever color you want it to be. And you are going to draw a heavy line with the marker near the top of one stripe. Black is often a fascinating color because it separates into a couple of different colors. Ooh, I know, right? Surprising. So I actually have black here. So at the top of it, it's going to be this thick strip. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick a different color. I've got this like red-orange color. Remember, you're coloring a thick strip. Okay, doesn't have to be quite as neat as that. I'm gonna try this green color because I like the color green. I want to see what happens with it. Okay. The next color, what do I want it to be? I'll try a purple. Okay. Purple here. So I just got these strips. All right. So then what you're going to do when you have your strips and you've got your cup of water, okay, you're going to hang the paper strip over the edge of the water so that the paper towel touches the water, but the line is above the water. Okay, so this actually might be too long, so you could cut this in half probably, so it's actually about this size. Okay, so I'm going to hang this in the water. Okay, but I'm going to make sure that it's not actually touching. Oh, I always did that too short. Okay, you're going to stick another one in there, doing the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing with this other one. I'll make sure it doesn't fall off. Okay. Alright, so now you're going to watch the colors spread as the water travels up the paper. Okay. So if you can kind of see, it's spreading. I don't know if you can see it all. If I get a little bit closer, on the black especially, it's starting to turn this like green color. You can see how this one has sort of changed from what it was originally, and then the pink. Okay, so the incredible thing is seemingly boring colors like black will separate into many unexpected colors. Okay, so I want to try it at home and see how you do. It's a really simple project that just, like I said, needs the paper towel, markers, scissors, and some cups and water. And that's all you need. It's lots of fun to try it out. So if you can, try it at home and let me know how it went. All right? Have fun. Bye.